I actually feel like I am the last person on earth to try both Sculpted by Amy and a cushion foundation. So today we're going to try both. This is the new Sculpted by Amy Cream Cushion Foundation, and I was shade matched online, so I've picked up the shade 2.75M. I'm really hoping that this is a good match, but who knows? Everyone I have seen talk about this has raved about it, so I'm really hopeful that I feel the same, because there's nothing worse than a product is hyped up and it doesn't live up to your expectations. Do you know what I mean? I'm a big fan of Korean skincare, so I'm really excited by the fact that this is actually inspired by Korean makeup and it's also been made in Korea. It's so squishy. I'm gonna use the little applicator that it came with, but I might switch to a brush. Do I pat? Let's just have a little look at the shade match. Oh. Okay, this could be a little bit too dark for me. Let's go for a pat. The shade match is looking better. Unless I'm delusional, which is always a possibility. Okay, we've done half the face. You can see it here side by side. I do think that it has covered the redness in my skin quite well, and I have a lovely glow to my skin and quite like a nice flawless finish. I do find that the little applicator that it comes with is maybe a little bit hard to get some control over, so I am going to try this side of my face with a brush and just see if it's a bit easier. I have never used a foundation with that kind of texture before. It almost feels gel-like without being a gel, if that makes sense. It is a pretty grey day in London today, so here it is in natural light. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, then I'll be back. Okay, it has gotten a little bit darker outside, but this is the cushion foundation with the rest of my makeup finished. I have to say, I really like this. I am surprised because I thought it was going to be a lot heavier on the skin, but you can have this as sheer or as buildable and high coverage as you want, and I think this is going to be really nice for touch-ups, especially because it's like so compact. It is £28, which I think is a good price point. I don't know how long that's going to last, but I'd be intrigued to see. But yeah, I like it, and this is a really good first impression of Sculpted by Amy, and I definitely now would really like to try some more products. Smash.